Hello and welcome back to Local Business Authority Siloing. I'm Chris Palmer, and in this video, what I want to share with you are two free tools for doing your keyword research. This particular stage is so important. I have to give everyone the opportunity to find different variations of their primary service, secondary service, locations, and supporting content. So for those of you that can't get Keywords Everywhere or SEMrush or even a group buy, let me share with you two great free tools that I of course have used in the past, still maybe even use. Sometimes we'll use Google Ads Planner, but let me share with you the first one. Great tool, completely free. It's called Wordsy. That's wordsy.com. Great free tool for keyword research. Excellent tool. All right. Another tool for keyword research, and I'm sure you've heard of this, but in case you haven't, this is called Keyword Planner. And this is actually Google's tool for doing for bidding on ads. So for bidding on specific keywords. And this is called Google Keyword Planner. And that tool is completely free. It'll give you search volumes, cost per clicks, estimated. There's a lot of little tricks out there. Maybe you can even look up some other YouTube videos on pulling in tricks and pulling in your leading competition, because Keyword Planner works much like SEMrush. You can actually pull in the keywords that a page ranks for by taking the URL, just like I showed you in SEMrush, putting it inside the Keyword Planner, and then it'll give you a list of all the keywords that a specific page ranks for. It'll give you estimated search volumes along with CPC. So if you're in a pickle, you're in a tough bind, you need free tools, Wordsy and Keyword Planner are two excellent options. And you're going to need keyword research tools. All right. So hopefully this helps you out, and I'll see you in the next video. Have a great one. Bye-bye.